Oh my God. Am I alone in this? Nobody? Alright. Wait, that's a little too mean. If there are any Jehovah's Witnesses out in the audience tonight, well then fuck you. Personally, consider this my unsolicited visit telling you a bunch of shit that you don't want to hear. And look, I know being annoyed by them isn't an original idea or anything, like, because I was thinking about it, and I'm unemployed, so is it really that bothersome to just answer the door, hear them out for just a couple of minutes, and then at the end go, no thank you? Like, that's too much, I have so much going on in my life? Then I thought about some more, and they're unemployed too. And they're going around house to house giving people life advice during work hours. Oh, you want to leave me a copy of The Watchtower? Okay, how about I give you a copy of a goddamn job application to fill out? But yeah, them bothering me isn't the worst part. It isn't even the worst part that they usually wake me up in order to bother me. The worst part is the arrogance in these little bitches, man. They come up to my house, act like a bunch of popular girls from high school, and they're like, excuse me, but do you know God's real name? I'm like, no, of course not. Why? Do you? They're like, yeah, it's Jehovah, and if you were as cool as us, and you were his friend, you would know that already. And, they keep going on. But you know what? We'll still give you a chance. Read this, come over to our place in the weekend, and then maybe we'll let you be a part of our group. First off, God doesn't exist.
Can I get a book?
But if that wasn't the case, do you really think that's how things would play out? You would have that familiarity that you'd just be able to go, yo, yay-ho, suit up. We're about to roll up in this neighborhood, teach these motherfuckers what's what, door to door. Shit. That's not gonna happen. All right, you guys, that's my time. Thank you very much.
Carlos Mendez, ladies and gentlemen. All right, you guys are clapped out. That's fine. We can just go Bohemian style. Let's snap. We can.